guys, and today I want to go over the different types of switchblade knives there are. So, gonna start with the get a whole bunch here. So first up, we're gonna do this type of knife, which is called a lighter knife, lighter switchblade. See? It's a lighter, and of course, it says knife on the bottom. You throw it up through here. I don't know what this would be for. If anyone knows, comment down below, because I really don't know what it'd be for. And then the next one here is our new type of knife, like the newest style. She uses a glass breaker. Okay. There you go. Charade. I think this was a conversion actually. But, next one. Over glass cloth. Now this is still in a newer type of knife. And this is a modern style of knife. See? Boga Plus. Yeah, this is a Boga Plus, sorry. Boga Plus. Lock this button. So it's locked in place, it can't move. Osage steel. Got my name on the back. Next one is essentially a mini. This says Boga Cloth for the pack clip. Cloth 74. Boga Plus. Partially serrated. There you go. Dang it. Oh, what is it? Next one, single action OTF, so glass breaker, safety, Schrade OCH, OTF5, SCH, OTF5. Sorry, jeez. Pull this back. Which is right out. Then you see this would come out. Push it to close it. Dang it. See? Really good knife. Next one, double action OTF. Duck. You see this glass breaker. And of course, dang it. Skin got like flushes out stuff. Yeah, see? So one button does two things. Unlike this one where you have to take the safety off, deploy it, and pull it back in, and lock it. This one button does two things. So that's kind of insane. Next up here, level lock switchblade. course, name implies, level lock. This one's by Bill the Shivs, AKC, Leveletto, Grind Down Blade, Kimberly Grind, and of course, Escort. See, there's essentially, the way this works, there's a pin pushing down on something in there. There's a pin inside that pushing down on it. So yeah. Next one. Little stiletto. Okay. Nothing. Could see nail neck. Push button. Then you close it. You close that and you would use the nail neck to close it. And last one here. Normal stiletto. See, made in Italy. And Escort. And the difference between these three is you close it using this. And there were even a lot of differences between these two knives. This one and this one. This one has a nail neck to close it, and you can actually see the hole there, the pinhole. You can look right through that and see through it. Whereas with this one, dang it, you can't really see through it. See? And they even sounded, and the way you close this one is, you pull this down, and you're supposed to, I think, use this nail neck to help close it, but of course, everyone just pushes it down and into the latch. And this one's kind of loose. And these two, these even sound different. Show you here, this one, and then this one. And this one's a bit looser, because this one's cheaper. But they still function the same way. Still got its little bolster. Although this one has a problem that I don't understand. Watch. I go to close it, and it gets kind of stuck. See? It's stuck. And even this one had a problem. Where if I did it a certain way, it wouldn't close. Okay, so there, it's fine. And then, it's fine. But if I did it, hang on. With, this hand. Wait, how would this work? Hang on. I forget how this. Oh, I think it's the problem. However, yeah. If I did it a certain way, like, so let's say I did it like this, it would not have enough force and would instead bounce up and bounce back. And I used to fix the problem with this. Let me just, dang it. Hang on. Here. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Okay. There we go. See where it would get stuck like this. And even though I'm doing this off camera, you can obviously tell what I'm doing. I will just take it and spring. I would hold it like this and I would flick it down. Like if it got stuck, I would reset the spring like this, hold it here, and there. And even another way to fix the problem. Hold it like this. And flick it. Like if it gets stuck right there, boom, fix the problem. And I honestly think that this, because there are, different types of knives, and there were even different types of level likes, and even though this video was short, I know I'm missing a few key types of knives. Like I'm missing a single action push button out the front, and a single action let's move these over. Here. I don't accidentally push it on just like that. Dang it. There you go. So yeah, that's the video. If you enjoyed, and bye.